Now, with elections round the corner and the Omicron threat looming large, the Allahabad High Court has made an appeal to Prime Minister Modi and to the Election Commission. The High Court has urged the Prime Minister and the Election Commission to postpone elections by 1 or 2 months. It's also urged them to ban political rallies and political meetings. This appeal comes in the backdrop of a high-level COVID review meet that was chaired by Prime Minister Modi to assess the country's preparedness for a possible third wave. During this meeting, the Prime Minister said that as a country, we should be satark and Savdhan. He also told states to ensure that their health systems from the district level is strengthened. India so far reported 346 cases of the Omicron variant. Let's take this across to Pankaj Upadhyay. He's joining us live from Mumbai with more updates on this. Pankaj, there was some information that came in earlier that we could see some new guidelines coming into effect today, that the Uddhav government could also release more curbs.
Yes, Akshata, that's right. In fact, late last night, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, had an urgent meeting with the COVID experts, and we are expecting that today by noon time, some fresh guidelines could be given out by the government of Maharashtra. Now, this on account of the fact that Mumbai yesterday recorded more than 600 new COVID cases. Maharashtra recorded more than 1,000 cases yet again. At the same time, the Omicron cases are also rising. 23 new cases were recorded yesterday. In fact, in the financial capital itself, the Omicron cases numbers are now 35. Yesterday, I had a word with several committee members, COVID committee members here in the BMC, and they say that they are really concerned with the rising numbers. Of course, we know that a month and a half back itself, the various COVID experts had said that during Christmas and New Year's time, the cases are going to rise. But this time around, even the ACS Health has said in the cabinet that next year, during the month of January and February, there's going to be a huge spike in cases. Now, considering all these things and seeing the present rise in numbers, the Maharashtra government is contemplating that the rules and regulations which are already existing should be made even more stricter. Even though in Mumbai, Section 144 has already been imposed till the midnight of 31st of December. But with the experts guiding the Maharashtra government and saying that the situation could get more grim, they realize that the need has come to make the rules and regulation even more stricter. So we are waiting for the new guidelines as to what the nature of those guidelines is really going to be. Perhaps there could be a complete ban on night movement near the beaches and the hotels, etc. But as I said, Section 144 is already in place. Plus, the government has said that 50% of capacity for the indoor spaces and 25% in the outer spaces. And if the capacity increases to more than 200, then a written permission is needed from the Assistant Commissioner of the respective wards. But now it really remains to be seen what new fresh guidelines will the state government come out with. Akshata.
All right, Pankaj, we'll track the latest and the guidelines as and when they are announced by the authorities there in Maharashtra. For the moment, thank you for joining us.